My name is Carlos Hawkins, born and raised in the U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Croix. I migrated over to the state of Minnesota after going through a divorce. During my divorce, my score went down to a 490. Then over time, educating myself on different ways to repair my credit, I started AIM Credit Repair. I've been where you've been at. I'm here to support you, and I understand that I'll be there every step of the way. You know, when you go through the credit repair process, you have a lot of challenges. Half of it is you just don't know what your rights are as a consumer. That's where I come in at. I would fight and dispute, challenge, and even do compliance checks to make sure that these companies that are trying to collect from you are legitimate companies. And one, I'll educate you on the way how to build your credit as we kind of work through the process to get stuff removed. So we partner with a company called AIM.CREDIT.REPAIR.AD2 to provide you with your 3 scores from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And that AIM.CREDIT.REPAIR.AD2 gives you your FICO scores, which a lot of lenders use to kind of compare your credit worthiness in that industry. You know, anyone that enrolls in our credit repair program leaves in a much better place than it started at. We take all the legwork off of you, and all you have to do is provide us with the responses. We make the phone calls to the credit bureaus and the creditors on your behalf, and we also respond to any type of litigations that you might have being sued in the court. We do all of that for you. So the benefit of dealing with AIM Credit Repair is that we take the legwork away from you, and we do it for you and give you that peace of mind that it's being done. Every month you'll be providing an update and also other tips you'll get on a weekly basis on what you can do to help your credit while you go through the credit repair process. So AIM Credit Repair is accredited by the BBB, licensed and bonded through Credit Repair Minnesota. You can find us at www.AIM.CREDIT.REPAIR.AD2. You can also review our reviews on the BBB website and also on Google. I can be reached at 651-333-7328. And I can also be reached by email at carlos.hawkins@aimcreditfix.com. I want to say thank you for looking at this video. As you know, AIM Credit Repair, we're changing lives one letter at a time. Just aim high, and we're here to support you.